When you're filming by yourself and you don't have a crew to help you, you need to simplify your process in order to get things done. This video is about how to get unstuck. In order to solve this issue, I need to reverse the priorities. So we're going to work from the most to least important from the list. Starting with your message. What is it that you want to share? What is it that you can give to the sea of information that is already presently out there? If you're struggling writing your script, focus on the most important key things that you want to tell your viewer and branch out from there. If you find that you are stuck, try and move to a comfier spot. You can also try and go for a walk, somewhere where there's a lot of air, and it's a bonus if there's plants. They tend to refresh your mind. Next is your environment. Just tidy it up as best as you can. Remove anything that is in your way. Add ambient lighting to your background, but keep in mind where the subject of your shots will be, so that you don't clutter your space with too much items or ambient lighting. Anything on your set that is in the design should complement your subject, not take the attention from it. If one location just doesn't seem to work, try another one. Find interesting lines or frames from which you can shoot. And if you need to have more space, you can shoot to the corner of the room. Okay, next up is your gear. Make sure that you keep your batteries charged, or prepare in advance if you know you will be filming, as being ready to film, but not having your gear in a film ready state, and then having to wait for an hour or two for your batteries to charge. Make sure that your lenses are clean after a shoot, so that the next time when you need to use one, you know that it's going to be ready. Even just a quick air blower pump can do the trick. You do not have to spend a lot of time on it. The last one is your appearance. This one can cause a lot of unnecessary stress. Getting ready to film can be a big hassle. I know that it is for me. It's usually the first thing that I worry about. And it also tends to take the longest to get done before I can start to film. Maybe it's because I'm a girl and I want to look good. But if it keeps me from filming, it's either gotta go or I need to simplify it. And when it comes to makeup, I simplified it by sticking to one makeup brush and a very basic neutral palette. For my clothes and accessories, I also keep it as neutral as I can, either going for a grey or going for a black. If I truly feel like it, I will go for another color. Whenever I overcomplicate things, I just try and think of it like this. Just look human enough. That's good enough. Thank you all for watching. Share with us your experiences with the things that keep you from filming.